Oh, why call him Lucifer? Nobody tell Megan. I tried. I don't know what I could have done. He was just like, he picked to hide in a closet. That was the dumb hiding spot. He was behind a very thin curtain. I mean, that's not a good excuse, but that's what I'm telling myself. Maybe next time we'll go for clown fingering. I also kind of wanted to do Billy Ritz. Sir, snake waifu.
There's an angry umbrella trying to kill you.
There's a snake waifu. I love this song. That's one of the only things that I still enjoy about Mario 64, which you're all gonna find out about my. Oh no, that is true. That is how you really trigger Ghost Pepper. Excuse me? Who are you? Yeah, I feel like that's the equivalent of getting really intimate with a cow. Just like deep throating that tongue. I said it, not you. Hello? Hello, I'm on the roof. Is there anyone around? Oh, hello. Oops, I'm not on the roof anymore. Also, I'm injured. PSA, don't jump off the roof. Hero, who we also know as Dad, are all part of the podcast. It's a lot of Pray Lolitas! Why would you do that? Why would you do that for Lolitas? I mean, that's what it's there for, but oh god. Let's just have a peaceful time playing Banjo-Kazooie. Oh no, is there more? Is it not? What? I put the pants on, but the pants aren't there. Wait. There they are. There's my pants. 1,000 followers. I rap to banjo music. Listen, I've made promises in the past and been like, yeah, we're never gonna get to 100 followers, so I'll never have to do a freestyle rap. But you know what? I'm confident that it's gonna be a very long time before we get to 1,000 followers. So I will agree to this, May. I will agree to this. That I'm playing. Wait, I'm not agreeing to that part. I have no idea how hard it is to learn how to play the banjo. I'll agree to rap.
Nope.
Where? What? You here? Where are you? Where was that? Belly? Where are you? Inside? Hi, Lily.
Fuck all of that.
Oh, by the way, the professor said Pokemon have things called types, which apparently make a big difference in how battles go. Pikachu seems to be an electric type, for example. Listen, I've been playing Pokemon my whole life. Oh, do I have access to this? This would be very useful. This would be extremely useful. Do I have access to this in battle?
Carly5123 is sending Pika Power to help supercharge
we gotta
everyone
send
in the
Pika Power to
stream.
this Pikachu. This poor mute Pikachu that just goes, eh! See, this is where the real PS5 graphics come in. Do you see that booty wiggle? When I smack that booty, do you see that wiggle? This is what the PS5. Oh, I'm dead. This is what the PS5 is all about. That booty wiggle. Hell yeah, I'm really excited. I meant to... What is that? What is that mystery box? What is that mystery box? What is that? Oh, it's the border from when we play DS games. Oh, that was weird. I don't know how that got turned on. We haven't played a DS game in a very long time. What is that mystery box? 99, 100. Oh my god. Oh, we did it, chat. Oh my god. Marbles himself. You could have all the sex you want. That sounds wrong. Wait, no, I mean seconds. Seconds. SECS.
Type
Once
_orange
upon a time,
wants you to freeze for
there
30
was a
seconds.
spider named Toucan. Toucan the spider. Not Toucan the bird, Toucan the spider. And Toucan the spider lived in a Taco Bell. Now you can see, I'm sure you can see where this is going. I'm sure you can see where this is going. But Toucan the spider lived exclusively off of a diet of only Taco Bell. And as such, Toucan the spider developed the ability to rocket propel itself into outer space on nothing but Taco Bell farts alone. And now, out there somewhere, out there in the great yonder of space, Toucan the spider is floating freely
Harley
through
5123
space
wants you to talk like bootleg Pikachu.
fart-propelled gas that totally can exist in space. Who's your dad? Who's your daddy? Wait, I don't know the next step. Oh, we gotta go get the jars. There we go. The pet showcase. Welcome to Chat Rates a Story, where I just put 11 pet pictures on screen. None of them are my pet. I don't even have a pet. I've got a pet bootleg Pikachu. I got a pet bootleg Pikachu. That's all I got. What said panda? Houses. There is no panda house. There is a rhinoceros house. There is a monkey house. There is a giraffe house. He's not a giraffe. He's not an elephant. What do you mean the last house on the left? That's a rhinoceros. Lily. Don't you know your animals? Where does it say Pam? Oh, in the text. Mommy and Daddy are flirting. Oh, Daddy. Pikachu really like banjo music. Oh, Oscar Mayer, call me. I want my face on the front of the Wienermobile.
Alright, let's take a quick.
I just paused in sheer horror.
Right on the front of the Wienermobile. Sleepy.
Better go home before you develop a fever. That's right, you better just leave here. Your mama called, she said you're bad at moving. So you better get moving.
Hey everybody, welcome! Happy Saturday! How's everyone doing? How's everyone's Saturday treating them? How's everyone's weekend treating them? And if you're celebrating this weekend, I know it's a religious holiday, but if you're celebrating Easter, I hope you're having a fantastic holiday weekend. Apple, we got Adian, we got Immersa. How's everyone doing? How are y'all doing? Today's your brother's birthday. Happy birthday, wherever is your brother there? Can we sing happy birthday to your brother? Oh wait, we can't sing happy birthday. That's DMCA. Happy birthday. We can't. I don't think we can sing happy birthday. I'm pretty sure happy birthday is DMCA. It's not anymore. Oh, happy birthday to Aiden's brother. Insert name here. How's everyone doing? It's not copyright anymore. Hell yeah. I had no idea. I think Flannel and I talked about it once and we thought it was copyright. Craven? That's your brother's name? Happy birthday, Craven. How you doing, my friend? It expired a few years ago. Hell yeah. Oh, we can start singing happy birthday all over the place now. We don't have to worry. We can just go out in the streets and belt happy birthday at the top of our lungs and nobody's going to stop. I mean, nobody was stopping me before, but now nobody could really stop me. I'm just going to rove the countryside singing happy birthday to everybody. That's going to be my new life calling. I'm going to form a caravan that's just going to travel the countryside singing happy birthday. It might not even be your birthday, and we may roll up and sing happy birthday to you. You never know. Hello, everybody. He just got spoiled with 2 new pairs of shoes and a boatload of laundry and new toys. He got Minecraft and new Mario games as well for the Switch. Hell yeah! Ooh, what Mario game? I love me some Mario. I love me some Mario. Char, how are you, my friend? And also Apple. Apple, how's your Saturday treating you? And Immersa. Immersa, how are you doing, my friend? No, this is another unprecedented afternoon stream. This is crazy. I'm not even usually up yet at this hour. This is so crazy. I don't even know what I'm doing up. I mean, I know what I'm doing up. I passed the fuck out immediately after Mario Golf last night. Like, immediately. We raided Alley, and I went and laid down, and probably within 10 minutes I was asleep. Because I've been just passing out early and waking up early, so... This is the life we're living. We're apparently a morning person temporarily until I figure out how to switch my schedule back to being a vampire. So, this is the life we're living right now. Anyway, we're gonna play some Elden Ring. We're still unscheduled. I don't have a schedule for things that we're playing, so I'm just kind of going off cuff right now. So we're going to play some Elden Ring. I'm going to keep going with my New Game Plus run. We're going to see how much progress we can make. We're just going to run through the countryside of the lands between, and as a crazy person with 2 swords, and instill fear in the heart of our enemies. You still have 1 more student in 15 minutes, then you're done teaching for the day. Hell yeah! Hopefully you'll be able to relax and enjoy the rest of your evening, Apple, and I hope your last lesson goes really well. You're just relaxing, got some chores done, grinding some levels before tackling the E4 in Shining Pearl. Oh, the Elite Four in Shining Pearl. Probably gonna slip out in a bit to get some drink for the rest of the weekend. Hell yeah. I don't know if you've made any attempts on the Elite Four in Shining Pearl, but we had a heck of a time with them when we played. Wait, which one did I have? I think I had Diamond. I don't think I had Pearl. I think I had Diamond, but. Brilliant Diamond. We had a heck of a time with the Elite Four. They were definitely a step up from some of the more recent Elite Fours. Never played the Gen 4 games before. Oh, from what folks were telling me when we were attempting them was that they really kicked up the difficulty for some reason in the remake of the Elite, just for the Elite Four. Your partner has brilliant. Oh hell yeah, that's the way to do it. That's absolutely the way to do it. I hope you conquer. You rise to the occasion. I know you'll rise to the occasion. You will conquer the Elite Four. Speaking of rising to the occasion, let's switch over. Let's start playing some Elden Ring. Elden Ring. That's my Elden Ring song. I just made it up. I hope you like it. I just made it up right on the fly. I don't know if you could tell that it wasn't something I thought about before. Your team includes Giraffe-Rig because hey, you don't need a reason. If you like Giraffe-Rig, that's enough reason in and of itself. Hang on, let me move my camera so I'm not blocking the our items on the side. Oh, there we go. All right, I don't think we can do anything in the capital yet, so we're gonna fuck off back down here. We have to go see. Well, I guess we could go to the Volcano Manor. We could go to the Volcano Manor. We only have to get 2 great runes to get into the capital. It doesn't necessarily have to be, what's his name? Godric and Moon Witch bitch. But, I mean... Sure, why not? To the Volcano Manor. What's the worst that could happen? We're extremely overpowered. Sir, can I pick this up on horseback? Ah! Which bitch is your side lady? So it's Melania as your main squeeze. Oh, that's right. I forgot about can opener. I forgot this is where can opener is. Hello. Oh, it's been so long since we've been here. I forgot all about can. Oh God, can opener murked us. Holy crap! Can opener is like, you thought you were gonna run in here and jump on top of my head? I don't think so. Oh, these are the same swords that we had for our last playthrough. Oh, man, can opener. We really did. Burnated or electrified? I don't know which. Hang on, I want to grab these. Thank you. Oh, did he fuck off? I know he fucks off, yeah. He fucks off when you get him, like, a quarter of the way down. And he comes back later. I remember I was really mad when he just up and left. Hello! Oh, look at the puppos! Look at all the puppos. Yeah. Turn up the audio a little bit. Oh, seed! Wait, I think I might have enough, because apparently I don't have max seedage. I think I might be able to get another flask. Oh, never mind. I may have done that already. How many seeds do I have? 4. Oh no, I need one more. Because I think Orange said I can have 14 flasks. And I only have 13, so I guess I can get one more. Hello! Don't mind me. I'm very strong. Oh, I'm wrecking all your shit. Can't go into the capital yet. So I need 2 great runes before I can go into the capital. And we only have Godric so far in New Game Plus. So I'm gonna go that way. I think we have to go through the swamp area. Oh, hello, sheep. Oh, did I just go in a circle? Oop, I just went in a circle. But I think this might be the way I want to go, actually. I can get down there from here. Maybe that's not the right way. Maybe I want to go up across there. Oh, there's a man in a boat. There's no longer... Oh, jeez. There's no longer a man in a boat. He tried. He tried real hard. He was getting real desperate there at the end. Hello, sir. He was like, oh, fuck. If I don't do something, he's gonna get me. Well, sir, it was a nice try. Nice effort. Very sorry. Hey, Dead Senpai, how are you? How's your Saturday treating you, my friend? Welcome on in. We're continuing our mad dash across the countryside. Our victory tour, in which nobody stands a chance. You're working on some art? Hell yeah! What kind of art are you working on? Right, let me go down here. Lily! Lily, how are you? How's your weekend, Lily? Delta Flareon, look at those beans! Look at those beans. So many beans. Lily! Just some classic anime character. Ooh, that sounds really freaking cool, Dead Senpai. Definitely feel free to share it in the Discord after you're finished, or once it's in a state that you're comfortable sharing it. 'Cause that sounds really freaking cool. I'm a big fan of anime. Lily! How you doing, Lily? Oh, geez, not the fire. Whoop, seed. Oh, now I can get the last one that I missed somehow last time. I mean, I just didn't. Oh, I just didn't bother looking for more seeds after I beat the game. You're excited to see me chop things? Oh, we're gonna chop so many things. We're extremely overpowered. We're killing most bosses, like, immediately. Hello! Hey, wait, what happened? This is the spot where it used to rain men. Oh, there's the men, okay. I was gonna be real sad if there were no men raining from the sky. I was gonna be really sad. It's like, fuck, what do I have to look forward to if there's not even men raining from the sky? Yeah, it's raining men. That's actually probably TMCA. Yeah, they're back there. I just left them. Just letting them do their thing. Do their thing. Yeah. Hello! Don't mind me, I'm on my way to the Volcano Manor. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Nope, you don't have to shoot fire at me. I'm just passing through. That's some chunky armor. We're real beefy. I have been putting some points into magic, though. Do you have a health bar? Oh, you do have a health bar. Oh, sir. Wait, can you get off the horse? Thank you. Oh, he disappeared. He disappeared. Don't be alarmed, everyone. We led him too far from the lava. He was scared. Uh-oh. Oh, geez, the rock. The rock! Yeah, we're real chunky. You can rain men on me any day. I mean, they're like zombie men. They're not real glasses. Oh, they're very fogged up right now. They're not real glasses, Flannel. I have contacts in, so I'm wearing they're like UV protecting glasses. They're supposed to be good for your eyes when you're staring at like computer screens and shit. But I've got contacts in. My regular glasses are kind of scratched to hell, so I've been wearing contacts a lot recently. It's Wayne the Rock Johnson. Also, Flannel! Are you finished streaming already, Flannel? I thought you were still streaming. Oh, thank you, Flannel. I'm going to be getting some new glasses very soon. When I get my income tax, I'm going to be going to get a new pair. Because mine are all kinds of jacked up from my previous job. I used to hit my face on a lot of things. Now that I think about it, I've probably suffered some degree of brain damage. So maybe I'll get ones that look like this. Because I kind of like them. Oh, sir, what are you doing? Get booped. You gonna leave anything for me? You leave me anything, any presents? Oh, Dragon Heart. I'll just add that to my collection of like 15 Dragon Heart. How many Dragon Hearts do I have at this point? I have so many Dragon Hearts. Where even are the Dragon Hearts? Well, what if my Dragon Hearts didn't carry over to New Game Plus? Beast Liver? Where are my Dragon Hearts? Dragon Hearts? I don't remember what category they're in. I thought they were in crafting materials, but maybe not. Well, I don't know where my Dragon Hearts went. A banjo, too! Oh, I know. I know everyone wants me to learn how to play the banjo. Thank you for the lurk, Apple! I hope your lesson goes really well. Yours got scratched by a grill. Mine are so bad, it's not even funny. I don't know, it probably won't... You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but they're like so scratched it's not even funny. You can't really see it. Flannel! The majestic Flannelsaurus rising from a sea of whipped cream. The sea of whipped cream. I don't know where my Dragon Hearts are. I don't know where they went. I just wanted to see how many I have. I don't need them. Pretty sure I have all the dragon items already. Oh, there they are. Oh, I've only got 6. Oh, maybe it did. Maybe it didn't carry my Dragon Hearts over to New Game Plus. Oh no, that was yesterday's. Hang on, I gotta get rid of that question. That was yesterday's question of the day. That's no longer the question of the day. There's a really deep philosophical question yesterday, contributed by Martian. Every streamer you follow is currently streaming Elden Ring. Oh, I know Bard started Elden Ring today. From what I understand, Ghost tried playing last night and had some issues with it running on his computer. Oh, and I think Orange is playing. Orange might be trying to finish. Because Orange was almost at the end last night and he lost power. But I mean, Elden Ring's a whole vibe. I don't blame him. My one roommate's able to move out today, so you're helping out. Ooh. Hopefully it's a good situation where they're moving out, Flannel. Don't mind me, I'm just passing through. You got a large sword. You don't want to mess with me. Just on my way to the Volcano Manor. You have a health bar? How do I feel like you have a health bar? You do have a health bar. Why do you have a health bar? Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, the magic bullshit. If I remember correctly, there is a bonfire right over here. Which we will activate quickly. Thank you. They were really annoying. Thank you for taking care of them for me.
Flannelsaurus wants to ask you, what's your most favorite dessert item?
Ice cream. I love me some ice cream. Oh, I thought he was gonna fall off the cliff. Oh, these freaking... Oh my god, these freaking mages. Oh my god, just hang on a second. I'm gonna go kill these mages. No, I'm not. I'm gonna die.
Immersive Designs wants you to
as soon
jump
as I
3
revive, I'll
times.
jump 3 times. Everything's in good graces and moving. Hell yeah. Also, Flannel, how was dinner with Papasaurus last night? Easter dinner. One, 2, 3. Where am I? This is not where... Oh, jeez. I ran to that freaking Grace specifically because I wanted to stop there. The emu debacle. We can't let Billy know about the emus. Billy can't know about the emus. That's a real sore subject. Sir, I'm doing important work over here. These freaking mages. Dinner was amazing. We played lots of cards. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's amazing. That's so freaking amazing. I'm so glad. I'm so glad you had a good time. Alright, this time we take out the mages first. Remember me? Get fucked.
Flannelsaurus would like a gaming trivia
Gaming
question.
trivia, hell yeah. We had a really good one last night that stumped everybody. The one from last night was, what was the first gaming console that had internal memory? Eventually, someone got it after I gave a couple clues, but prior to that, they were stumped. Yeah, it was the Sega Saturn. You are correct. You are 100% correct. I had to drop a couple clues. In fact, the clue that ended up pushing folks over was that it was a Sega console. You have 5 packs for knowing that? You could either have 5 packs or we can do another new one if you'd like. For your redeem. But yeah, you can have 5 packs for knowing it. N64 didn't have it. I don't think the N64 had. Did the N64? No, the memory on the N64 was inside of the cartridges. Let's do a new one? Okay, let me get my list up. Yeah, N64, the memory was in the cartridges. It wasn't in the console itself. Let me get my list of gaming trivia questions. Ooh, this is kind of interesting. What game did the character Sonic the Hedgehog first appear in? Once again, for anyone that's just joining us, we got gaming trivia. First person that answers correctly in chat gets 5 free packs of Stream Loot. The answer is not Sonic the Hedgehog. It's actually not. Believe it or not, Sonic made a cameo in another game prior to Sonic the Hedgehog. Not the wolves. Anything with the wolves? Is that the Volcano Manor? That is not the Volcano Manor. I think you're... Let me pull it up again. I think you're pretty close. You're very close. I'd say you're close enough to get it. It was called Red Mobile. It was called Red Mobile, released in 1991, and Sonic appeared as an air freshener. Free stream loot for all. There's a small cooldown. So you redeem the one. I think there's like a 3-minute cooldown before you can redeem another one. But let me get somewhere safe, and I will get the link for the other one. Oh, Flannel, thank you. Yeah, send yourself 5 packs because you were close enough. I didn't know that. I didn't know that Sonic appeared in a game other than Sonic the Hedgehog prior to Sonic coming out. Oh, Mario and Sonic at the Olympics, that's a classic. That's an absolute classic. I've actually never played any of the Marios and Sonic at the Olympics. But I've heard they're okay as like little mini game features. Yeah, Adian, there's a small cooldown, just because we have to generate the code and get the link and everything, so that we don't get bombarded. At one point there was no cooldown, and folks would redeem like 10 of them at a time, and it would get overwhelming to get that many codes. So I put a couple-minute cooldown on the codes. Oh, jeez. Is it a general cooldown because if someone's already redeemed it in the past 3 minutes? I mean, yeah, just to give us a chance to get the code. So it can only be redeemed once every, I want to say 3 minutes. 2 or 3 minutes I set it for. Well, I also added a new blurp channel point redemption, which was requested by Ratzel, the wonderful Ratzel. Ratzel wanted a facepalm sound for all the times that I pronounce things incorrect. So I added a channel point redemption for the facepalm sound. There it is. Ratzel was getting very upset with my inability to pronounce primarily, like, Japanese names and stuff yesterday. When I could... Streamers with the hydrate redeem. Yeah, we had a night where I think I came pretty close to drowning from hydrates. That was the night of the hydration inflation. Sorry, you're gonna need to stop. I will drink some water as soon as I'm finished. Yeah, Lily was here for that. That was during in fact, that was the night when I tried to play Monster Hunter Rise, and everyone got mad at me because I didn't know what I was doing. So they tried to drown me. But eventually we switched hydrates over to stream loots. I am not a fan of Monster Hunter Rise. I still have never gone back to it after that. Thank you for the hydrate. Yeah, I was not a big fan of Monster Hunter Rise, unfortunately. Wasn't my cup of tea. But I was playing by myself and I was trying to figure everything out and it just wasn't going well. There was a lot. It was very overwhelming. Eventually maybe I'll go back. Like if somebody that's like a pro at it wanted to show me the ropes, then I might go back. But it was very overwhelming trying to figure it out. Like, just piece everything together, because there was a lot. Nah, I'm not gonna fuck with that guy. This guy's annoying. Sir, I am going to the Volcano Manor. Oh, he's really angry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. He's real upset. He's like, how dare you just run past me? I'm the gatekeeper. Do I have to do... Oh, I might have to talk to her before I can go in there, into the rooms. I found the tutorials for Monster Hunter Rise to be very overwhelming. Because it wasn't like... It didn't slowly... Hello. Oh, hello, Flannel! It didn't slowly teach you the mechanics. It was just kind of gave you like a novel to read. Sorry for saying... Oh, I didn't even see them yet, Lily. I'll have to take a look. I haven't even seen them yet. I don't think I was on... Was I on TikTok at all today? I don't think I was. Yeah, I don't think I was on TikTok at all today. You sent so many. That's okay. I like Elden Ring TikToks. Also, I send you a lot of TikToks, so... Excuse me. Can you please get off the screen so I can attack? Oh, they're behind me! Not the snails, I'm poisoned! This room? Which room is it? Ah, it's this room, I think. Oh, hello. Oh, you weren't here last time.
A pleasure to meet you, Brave Tarnished.
You weren't here last time.
I am Raya, the Scout. Very
Oh, Raya the
pleased to
Scout?
welcome you to the Volcano Manor.
Because I didn't find you out in the swamp yet?
Planet's guidance. May you tread the path of valor.
Oh, thank you. Eventually you're going to be out in the swamp looking for your lost locket or something. Not that corner? That's one of these rooms. Guess I'm not able to do right guard yet. Maybe I do have to do Renala, Moon Witch bitch. That one's blocked. Oh, it was this one. Damn it. This is the way. To the Volcano Manor. I mean, we're in the volcano. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, very angry. Why are you so angry? Also very dead. Oh, I can level up. Sure, let's get intelligence up to 20. Let's become smart. Let's get those smarts. Those intelligence points. All the intelligence points. So we can use some magic. Will I actually use magic? Probably not. Oh! Oh, I've never been grabbed by that guy. I didn't even know he had a command grab. What do you get for grabbing me? How dare you? Why are you making so much noise? Stop making so... Hey! Stop causing such a racket. Stop it. Stop. Stop it. I'm just passing through. Sir. Sir, this is unnecessary. This is all unnecessary. Stop it. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. They really blew something on the floor. Oh, hello. I got really excited as I was killing them. They're like, oh fuck. We've never been killed this effectively before. We've never taken 2 swords to the face before. Oh fuck. Hello. Goodbye. Oh no! No! Oh jeez! Oh jeez! Oh fuck you! What an asshole! What a freaking asshole! God damn it! Just you wait until I get back over there. Be real angry this time. I was gonna let you live. Just remember that. Just remember, I was gonna let you live. Now I'm not gonna be so nice. Well, I wasn't into it, Lily. I'm gonna go have a talk with him. A stern talking to with my 2 big swords. That's how we resolve all conflict in this world. Hey Dolphin, how are you, my friend? Happy Saturday! How you doing today? How's your weekend treating you so far? We gotta go have a stern talking to a lizard man right now. He thought it was funny to whip me off of an elevator, so we're gonna show him what happens when you whip Agatha Chilsty. Your day off? Hell yeah, that's what I like to hear, my friend. I hope you're getting to rest and relax and recoup on your day off. I'm really glad to hear that you have the day off. That's amazing. That's so freaking amazing. Hey! Remember me? Huh? Oh, you think it's funny? You think it's funny? Huh? Is it funny now? Huh? Is it funny now? I wish they had ragdoll physics so I can, like, yeet him off the cliff. Lily, I'm so glad that you have the day off, too. I wish they had, like, Dark Souls 2 ragdoll physics. And they didn't just disappear. Oh, hello, sir! Extend the bridge. Yes, extend that bridge. Or raise the bridge. I guess raise the bridge. It's raising. It's not extending. Raise the bridge to victory. Also known as a shortcut. So that we don't have to fuck with those lizards anymore. They're lucky. It's kind of fucked up to think that there were probably people in those cages when they lowered the bridge.
Flannel Source wants to propose the following question of the day.
Oh, how are
How
you?
are you?
That's a good question. Flannel, how are you? That's the real important question. How are you? It's the question that's been burning in the back of my mind. I'm pretty sure I asked that earlier, but it's still burning there. How are you? Question of the day. There we go. Question of the day. Should pop up in 2 minutes. Yeah, nice wholesome question. I appreciate that. Thank you, Flannel. Waiting on some lunch, doing cleaning, and the moving help. I ordered a naked burrito. What is a naked burrito? Oh, like the naked chicken burrito or taco from Taco Bell, that kind of thing, where it's like in chicken? Or is it something else? I know at one point Taco Bell had like a naked... Oh, I think it was a chalupa. The naked chicken chalupa. Oh, jeez. Dead? Who's dead? Get fucked, buddy! Yeah, I don't like that guy at all. The Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Don't worry, he's dead. He will be back, though. He makes several appearances in the game. He won't be back for a while, though. What thing I need to go see? So it's all the stuff that goes into a burrito. Instead of all wrapped up, they turn it into a salad. Oh, so like I'm trying to think. There's something at like the fairs around here. I think they call them like walking tacos or something. Where they come in like a lot of times they make them in like chip bags, and you can just walk around and eat them, and it's just like the inside parts of taco. Oh, that's not a pathway. That sounds really freaking good. It's essentially a burrito salad. Hell yeah, that sounds freaking amazing. That sounds so amazing. Mucho Burrito does something similar called a burrito bowl. Oh, burrito. Yeah, burrito bowl. I don't even know why I didn't think of a burrito bowl. I've gotten burrito bowls from Chipotle before. Walking tacos here are just chili and sour cream. Oh, ours are more elaborate. They do come in a Fritos bag, but they're usually more elaborate than that. We have a lot of fairs, because there's a lot of like farming areas around where I live. Like not in the immediate area, but like some of the surrounding towns are farming areas, so we have a lot of like state fairs and county fairs. And they have walking burritos there, but it's usually a little bit more elaborate than just the chili and sour cream. The place you ordered it from is called Fat Bastard Burrito. I love that. I love that so much. That sounds amazing. That sounds so freaking good. I'm so excited for you, Flannel. That sounds like the perfect Saturday dinner. Remember, do I just go back now? I didn't do it this way. I did the kill the 3 NPC summons route the first time.
Did you read the letter? That is
No.
the task. You will be compensated if you are loath to hunt, but you must leave this house. This is we have no place.
Well, I guess not. What do I do? What is the other route to get there? I don't actually know the other route to get there. You're almost done with the new No Man's Sky expedition. Hell yeah, that's amazing. That's so freaking amazing. All these other people. Hello, do you want whatever this stuff I picked up?
In heaven's name, the volcano. I hope you understand. Well, as long as you understand what you're saying. But know that the path you walk is blasphemy and leads only to a miserable
Nah,
death.
I'll be fine.
Before you consider hunting any of your own kind, this blasphemy before you can.
I don't want to do that path.
Brave tar under Lady Tanith's guidance.
I'm gonna do things the other way this time. Praise the tree! We are gonna do Ronnie's ending this time. Randy's ending, Ronnie's ending. You want this weird, like, sap shit I found? No, I'm not doing your letter. I'm not doing your letter. You're gonna just have to get over that fact. We're doing things the other way this time. I think I'm gonna get invaded if I come up here. No? I'm not getting invaded this time? Ah, there we go. Hello! Oh, that's right, you have the whirly gig. Praise the tree! Yeah, the big ol' pizza cutter from essentially from Bloodborne. I feel like it's an homage to the whirly gig in Bloodborne. There it is. I got two of them now. There it is. But it's literally just one of the arms from the Iron Maiden enemies. I can't swing it in here. This is a non-combat zone.
Flannelsaurus wants you to do a gesture.
Oh, gesture. You got it. Let's, praise the ring. Praise those delicious onion rings from Burger King. Praise them. Give them a big old praise-a-rooney. Big old praise-a-rooney. My favorite in the armor is the clap, because I clap inside. We're so buff, we can do anything we want in this armor. Anything. Anything at all. Dead! Dead! It's on my porch. Oh, I'll run out and get it. Alright, hang on. BRB, everyone! Enjoy some clips! What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Sir, what is that? What is that? What, hey, what is that? Hey! I don't want you just drinking a mystery fluid, sir. What is that? Some Tabasco sauce? Alright, you can have the Tabasco sauce. Oh, I think it's tomato juice. Oh no,
Hotline _Wervo says
that's a
hands up
death
for 5
sentence hotline.
seconds.
Wait, he just whacked me in the head and it didn't hurt me. Oh, alright, well, he just missed me for 5 seconds. I'm so sorry, hotline, but, that was not on me. You saw that. You saw him whack me square in the head, and me just stand there and take it. I've got that iron scalp. I'm so sorry, Kylie. I'm pretty sure we've eliminated every one of your shirts, Kylie.
Challenger appears.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no. I'm not muted anymore. I'm sorry. I'm back. It's tinier than I thought, Dad. I'm back. Who is my favorite character? Oh dear. Am I still muted? Or am I back? I'm back, right? There it is. Ram. Oh, it's like a fancy color. It's a fancy cover. There it is. Now I gotta figure out how to put it in. I mean, I took the other one out at one point, so it's probably not hard. But I'll have to install it. Bam! 2 16s. That's probably really good. Because I'm only working with 8 right now. RGB? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, but I don't know what any of that means. It's super easy? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I'm excited. You have one 8-stick. We got you 2 16 sticks. So I just pull out, like, the other one I take out altogether, right? Yeah, it's tinier than I thought, Dad. Dad, why is it so tiny? It is smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be big. Hell yeah. It has RGB lighting that you can control from a desktop. Oh! Oh! My computer has that too, and I never figured out how to work it, so it's just been, like, a regular white light for the last almost year. Don't know. There's RGB lighting. You can go nuts if you want. I can't remember if you have a window. I do have a window. But I think my RAM's like right up toward the top, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. But I'll go crazy. Thank you so much, Dad and Bard. I believe Bard was also a contributing factor in the RAM party. Well, maybe don't call it a party. A RAM party sounds like something else. But yeah, we'll have to get it installed after I wrap up. Probably after I wrap up this stream. Before tonight's regular stream. The Jackbox stream tonight. No worries, Dad. Thank you so much for the heads up. You just started Elden Ring as well. Ooh. So I'm out. I shall remain lurking. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the heads up. Because I wouldn't have wrapped up for another 2 hours. And I'm glad that I could run down and grab it. Prior to that, so it wasn't sitting out there, because it's kind of a crummy, rainy day out. So I was glad to run out and grab it. Yeah, we're gonna do some Jackbox later. Probably around 8 or 9 p.m. EST. Oh no, the stream's not over. Stream's not over. I'm gonna go for about another 2 hours now. I'm gonna do probably about 3 hours now and 2 or 3 hours later. Alright, I gotta see where I go, because I did not do, when I did right card last time, I did the PvP route. So let me see what the other route to go to right card is. like the legit route. I mean, they're both legit routes, but... two ways. Reaching the end of the Volcano Manor dungeon. So I feel like, is this not the end of the Volcano Manor dungeon? Godskin Noble. We beat. They're already dead. We don't need a strategy. As with the Godskin Stitcher and Noble Presence, the Serpent's Amninon key item, as well as a new Site of Grace. Elevator you could ride up. Oh, there's another way out through the elevator. Okay. So there is a way out through this elevator. I didn't see another way out up here. So this is not the end. Oh, don't jump! Don't jump off the elevator. Is it like a jumpy thing? Oh, not a jumpy thing. Oh, it might be a jumpy thing. Over here. Hello. Oh. Oh, that's lava. I'm sure we'll be fine. I don't know if this is the right way, but here we go. I've departed. Oh, Flannel! If you're still hanging around, I didn't tell you. I played a little bit of Gas Station Simulator the other night. The first night that I came back, when I came back at like midnight, I played some Gas Station Sim. From what I played, I liked it a lot, but it was chugging streaming it. The RAM's probably gonna help with that. It was really chugging trying to stream it and play it at the same time on PC. But I imagine that was probably a RAM thing, so I'll probably be able to play it again and not have... Oh, hello! The Crab Cracker! I didn't get too far. I think that night I only streamed for 2 hours. It was like the first night I came back after being sick. I was very stressed out by the fact that we bought basically a shithole in the desert. Like, that place was a pigsty. I love how our in-universe character is like, yes, I'm gonna sell my car, and I'm gonna buy this gas station. But I was really enjoying it. I didn't get too far into it yet, so we're gonna do more of it. Hopefully, the having some extra RAM will help it run a little smoother for streaming it. Because it worked fine without when I was not running OBS at the same time, but as soon as I was running OBS at the same time, it was chugging. Whoa! I don't actually know anything about this area. I didn't come over here in my last playthrough. I don't know why you guys have stinky heads? Why are your heads so stinky? What's the deal with your stinky heads? Oh, hello. Oh, geez. This is the evolution of the guy that whipped us before. It's his big brother. Dead now. Hello, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Church is in session. Oh, geez. see. So when I kill, oh, when I kill the guys with the stinky heads, they explode. Their heads explode in the poison. I see. That's very unfortunate. Imagine being the guy with the stinky exploding head. Oh, who is that? Why does that man have an egg on his head? Whoa! Sir! Sir, I don't want to alarm you. You appear to have a large egg on your head. Sir, I have concerns. Uh-oh. Regret ahead, be wary. Ah, I'm sure it'll be fine. What's the worst that could happen? What's the worst that could happen? Oh, we've arrived. This is Raycard. So this is the legit way to get here. Oh, wait, where's the... Do I not get it? Oh, do I just use the old one? From my last playthrough? Oh, I don't remember. Oh, here it is. Does it still do crazy shit? Oh, yeah. Did I not sit at the bonfire? Was I like, no, I'm just gonna run right into here. Oh, I've been eaten. I've been eaten. Oh, jeez. I don't taste very good. I promise I don't taste very good. Spit me out. I give myself credit, though, for holding onto my weapon while I'm being eaten by a snake. You think I would have dropped it? Right, round two. Round two. We'll watch the gross cutscene because we haven't watched it since last time. I hate this cutscene. This cutscene's fucking disgusting. I hate the tiny hands. What is the thing? What is it with the tiny hands? Oh, I was taking a nap. I was just taking a little nap. You woke me from my slumber.
Very well.
Oh no, don't, sir, don't do it. No. No, why is... Oh, I hate it. Oh. Why is that where you store your sword, sir? Oh. Oh. I don't know why I hate it so much, but I hate it. Why is that the place where you store your sword? Oh, God. I don't want to. What? How about no? How about no? How about no? Oh, damn it. We're so close. Sword of guts, sword and guts. I hate it. I don't know why I hate that sword so much. It's the sword, it's the pulling the sword out from inside of the snake, it's all of the bullshit that falls out once the sword has been removed from the guts. I have a lot of souls. I don't know why I haven't leveled up. Oh, sir. Very tanky. Right, this time we're not watching the cutscene. We watched it twice. We watched it once the first time and once this time. That was enough. That was enough. Oh my god! Oh, you fucker. You fucker. What a motherfucker. We're getting close to the big 1000 F mark. It's been a long time in the making, Lily. Oh, we've definitely passed it. I don't remember what we ended the death counter for the initial Elden Ring kickoff weekend. I think it was close to maybe 600. I think exclamation point death still works for what that counter was at. So that counter technically has to be added to the F counter. Oh. That was only 223. Never mind, I lied. But I think we lost track at one point. I think I said we had to add like 300 to it. It was like that number plus 300 for the actual accurate number for our initial playthrough of Elden Ring. Hey Apple, how was your lesson? How was your lesson, Apple? Alright, round 2. Round 2. You just got home? Hell yeah, I'm really glad that you're home, that your lessons are over for the day, now you can relax and enjoy your Saturday. That's what it's all about. We're not watching that cutscene again. That's not what it's all about. Oh, here comes the bullshit. Ah. I forgot what a clusterfuck this fight is. It's just like, take my skulls, take my bites, take my sword. All at the same time. Uh-oh, where's my jam? There's like 200,000 souls in that jam. Excuse me. Where is my jam? Sir, you're not my concern right now. My concern is, where are those 200,000 souls that I had? Ah, there they are. Oh, I'm stuck in the lava. Oh, jeez. Oh, now I'm being eaten. That was a very unfortunate place that I ended up. I don't want to be over here. This is the last place I want to be right now. It'll also be very unfortunate if I die here. This is where I'll have to get back to get my shit. Yeah, what do you think about that? Oh, sir. That was uncalled for. Oh god, where am I? Why am I over here? Why am I always over here? Why am I always over there? I never want to be over there. How do I always end up... Oh god, my shit's gonna be over there too. No! Where is my shit? It's just like over here, isn't it? I don't even know where that was. Where is that corner that I always end up in? Just stay sleeping, it's fine. Don't worry about me. Just exploring. Looking for my shit. There's a lot of souls. Why is he not waking up? Give up? I have no idea where I was. Is it real close to him? Aha! There's my shit. See your butt. Oh, he's eating me. He's eating me. I get the chillsties on the menu. Uh-oh. Why me die? I don't know if I take the... Oh, I don't take damage when he throws me. That's nice. Hello. So I got free cinnamon churro chips. That sounds really freaking good. With your burrito bowl, and they're just giant pieces of cinnamon toast crunch. That sounds amazing. That sounds so amazing, Flannel. Yeah, that does sound fantastic. Doesn't that sound so freaking good? Oh my god. We're not watching this cutscene. Hey, Kimber, how are you? Oh, jeez, not the snake. Not the snake. You can't go from being a man to a snake whenever you want. That's not how life works. You can't just be a snake when you feel like it. You have a cold? No, I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope you're getting lots of rest. Oh, this fucker. I hope you're getting a lot of rest and relaxation on your weekend. I'm so sorry to hear that you've got a cold. That's never fun. You ate some soup. Hell yeah. What kind of soup did you have? I'm a big fan of soup. Soup is really good. Soup always hits the spot. Oh, there's my shit. It's right there. Oh, some chicken noodle. Oh, that sounds amazing. Oh my god. Well, you fucker. You absolute fucker. What a fucker. He was like, no, we're not playing this time. This time I go back to sleep. This is what I get for skipping all the other bosses and coming right here. Because I was supposed to already fight Ronaldo and the things in the capital and Smegma. There we go. Get fucked, buddy. What was that last one? The... Oh, Smegma? Yeah, Smegma. We'll go fight Smegma eventually. Hey, you know, Smegma. He's got a floppy horse. You haven't faced Smegma yet, Apple, or you haven't faced this guy yet? Yeah, Smegma's got a real floppy horse, and I mean, that's really all he's got going for him. I think he's compensating for something. Oh no! Oh no, my battery! This is the worst possible time for my battery to be low. Oh god, no! This is the worst time to have a low battery. We've got to end it quick. Gotti. Oh, I think I plugged the battery in. That was the worst possible time to have a low battery. That's not his real name. His real name is Radon. That was absolutely the panic run. The panic run carried us through. But we call him Smegma. I mean, we've called almost all of the enemies in this game by different names. We gave them all different nicknames. I don't think I gave this guy a nickname. This guy's just like the Ceaseless Discharge V2. Which the Ceaseless Discharge is an actual boss from Dark Souls 1. This guy's nickname will be Coleslaw. Rodin from Bayonetta. I have never played Bayonetta. Bayonetta's on my list of games to play, though, because I have it on the Switch. And I'd like to play it before Bayonetta 3 comes out. Who's your favorite character? Hell yeah. I like Coleslaw. Wait, didn't we nickname one of the dragons Coleslaw? I feel like one of the dragons was nicknamed Coleslaw. You're still very new with Elden Ring. You haven't gotten to play in a while. Oh no! I hope you're at least enjoying the game, Kimber. I know it can be frustrating for some folks the first time through. We're in New Game Plus, so technically this is my second playthrough. Potato salad. Oh, potato salad it is. Yeah, I think we nicknamed one of the dragons Coleslaw. Oh, yeah, that's right. I can get another seed. Seed. Oh, charges are at maximum. Charges are at maximum. Now I have max seedage. I can go to the capital now. I think. Oh, do I have to? I don't know if I have to go back to the round table before I go there. Quiche. Quiche Lorraine. Well, that's a good one. That one just rolls right off the tongue. I like that. Quiche Lorraine. Don't play it on easy, because it's too easy. Oh, I never play any games on easy. I at least play on normal. Sometimes I set myself up for failure and I just play on whatever the hardest difficulty is. Like when we played Outlast 2, and I put it on the hardest difficulty, and then refused to turn it down because I'm stubborn. You love quiche, Lorraine. It's a quiche with bacon, cheese, and caramelized onion. That sounds amazing. I don't think I've ever had a quiche. I've heard of them, but I'm almost positive I've never had one before. I gotta get over here. An omelet pie. That sounds amazing. I love omelets and pies. Those are two of my favorite things. Oh. This is not the way. Hang on. Hang on. Some poor life choices are about to happen. Don't mind me, wolves. Don't mind me. I don't know if Granny Chili's ever made quiche before. If she has, it was never made like in my childhood. Your fingers. Show me your fingers. See, this is the thing. Everyone's like, "Oh, I'm maidenless. I'm so sad." These are the maidens. These right here. These are the maidens.
Please.
Your fingers. Show me your fingers.
Your fingers.
No. Where does this go? Where does this go? Dad came on Millennia and asked Orange for help. Oh no! I mean, Millennia is really fucking hard. Millennia was a freaking nightmare. Where are we? Oh, okay, we're all the way over here now. That is not necessarily helpful. But yeah, Millennia is really freaking hard. Or, as we like to call Millennia, Apple's waifu. Could infiltrate. I won't make fun of him, because Millennia was really hard. I mean, most folks are saying... Oh, wait, I gotta switch my weapon back. Most folks are saying that Millennia is the hardest boss in all of Souls games at this point. I would never make fun of our dear father. Unless it involves the Nebraska Badlands. The Nebraska Badlands are always on the table. Hello! Oh, jeez! Holy sweet potatoes! Alright. Alright! The problem, though, with fighting Millennia with a summon, it doesn't necessarily make it significantly easier. It just gives Millennia another health bar to pull healing from. Because the hard part of Millennia is that she heals every time she inflicts damage. And that counts for both yourself and any summons. Oh, jeez. Sir. Sir. Double, sir. The real disrespect was that guy that just shot me in the ass after I had gotten shot by 2 giant arrows. That was the real disrespect. Still aggro to me. Hello! Oh, jeez. Knock it off. All right, there we go. We are on an absolute rampage. We are a force to be reckoned with right now. My new needs give me nausea, but it's getting better. Wait, what happened? What happened? I was gonna order Chipotle since we were talking about burritos, but I want to ask my mom if she wanted something, and she was watching Hoarders, and they were cleaning a nasty fridge, and my nausea was like, nah, bro, not anymore. Oh no, Lily! Oh, your new... Wait, your new meds. I was like, wait, what? I thought you just got sick from watching Hoarders. Oh no, Billy, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? It's like, I mean, Hoarders can be pretty disturbing. To the capital. I love the capital. I want to move here. This is where I want to live. You feel a lot better mentally, so that's why you're dealing with the nausea. Oh, Lily, I wish you didn't have to. I wish you didn't have to put up with nausea as a side effect. That's never fun. I'm so sorry that you have to deal with that. I hope you're okay. Is there anything that helps, like Tums or anything that could help settle your stomach? The capital. Hello. This is how I say hello, with my big burly sword. Burly sword. Hello. No Man's Sky Expedition is complete. Oh, Dolphin, that's amazing. Congratulations, my friend. Hello. Oh, you survived. The internet says it usually subsides in a week or two of consistent doses. I just eat less, and that's not a bad thing. Well, I'm really glad that it's something that's just like a temporary side effect of your body getting used to it. But please be careful. That's never fun, not feeling well. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, geez, I'm sorry. I forgot to lock on. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. You got to survive like 3 seconds longer than you would have otherwise. I'm real sorry. Oh, Lily, thank you for the hug. Hello! Oh no, no lightning. Oh no, no, no. No lightning. This is a no lightning zone. That's right. No lightning. Hello. I met your husband in Fallout 4 yet. McCready? I don't think so. Describe them to me. We haven't made it very far. I'm very bad at Fallout. I'm very bad at first-person shooters. We met Piper. I want to say her name was Piper. I don't think you... Do you have a health bar? Or a boss health bar? I don't think you do. You're just an enemy. Yeah, we met Piper. The last time, and I think we're supposed to be finding somebody named Nick, who apparently Bard really likes. Change it to third person. I feel like does that really help though with like aiming and stuff? Because it feels like it's very designed for you to play it in first person, almost like Skyrim. Whereas I know Skyrim you could switch it to third person, but it's considerably more difficult to play. I haven't gotten to your Mac yet, no. I guess not. I haven't met many characters. I arrived at the Diamond City. I immediately became wanted by everyone in the Diamond City because they caught me stealing stuff. I had to, like, fuck off for several days and sleep in a cot so that they would forget the fact that I stole from the police station. Oh, that's right, I stole from the police station. I didn't just steal. I stole from the police station. Right in front of a police, well, whatever they're, I guess they're technically like police officers, but security guards. The security office, not the police station. It was a real roller coaster. It was an absolute roller coaster of me being wanted by the police, everybody in town trying to kill me trying to figure out how to stop everyone in town from trying to kill me. It was a whole roller coaster of emotions. Seed. Okay, you can just attack me through the vine, that's fine. You're not even up here. The weak should fear. Oh, I'm not very strong. I also have terrible aim. My new trick has been just using a machete, because I have considerably better aim with a machete than with any type of firearm. Oh no, what happened, Dead Senpai? Are you okay? We've arrived. We've arrived at our next trial. Hello! Hello, Godfrey! Long time no see, my friend. Oh, you're gonna boop me. I just got here to say hello and you're gonna boop me? Oh, geez, you're booping me. Oh, all of this boopage. This is uncalled for. Hey, Mr. Outlast, how are you, my friend? Uncalled for boopage. Look at all this boopage. No one needs this much boopage. I understand that I also have a considerable amount of boopage at my disposal, but it's not nearly this much boopage. Oh, jeez, no. Not like this. Not like this. There we go, we got him. We got him. Great enemy felled. Not like this! How are you doing, Mr. Outlast? You're well? Have I finished Detroit? I did finish Detroit Become Human. We did not save everyone. Kara and Alice died. And Luther and somebody else died. Oh, Hank. Hank died. Yeah. We did save Marcus and all the rebels and Connor. Twist at the end with the little girl. Yeah, that fucked me up for a while. That really fucked. Yeah, Hank died. Hank died. Well, I thought it was a matter of I either save Hank or I turn all the robots for all the androids for the revolution in the factory. So I thought it was a matter of either I save Hank or I save the revolution, and I chose to try and save the revolution, not realizing I could save both of them. Unfortunate, very unfortunate. You saved everyone when you played it. Oh, I was trying real. I don't know what I could have done. Well, I guess I could have not gotten Kara and Alice caught in that one scene. We got Kara and Alice caught in that one scene. That was probably one of the things that sealed their fate. Oh, sir? Sir, where did you come from? Where did you come from? I'm just over here minding my business and you come strolling on in. I like that. I like that kind of jam. You get out of here. You take that negative energy back wherever you came from. I don't actually know where you came from. But you take that negative energy right back there. Thank you so much for the lurk, Mr. Outlast. I really appreciate it. So I showed a picture to my dad of a tattoo I was going to get, right? And his girlfriend goes on to tell me, oh, he's already stressed enough. And she says, oh, if my kids ever showed me that ugly thing. Oh, no, that's never nice, Dad Senpai. What was the tattoo, my friend? What kind of tattoo was it? No, we don't talk about Scott from Heavy Rain, Dolphin. I have never been so betrayed in my life. We don't talk about Scott. The blessing of the Erd Tree. We don't talk about that traitor. He was my favorite character. My favorite character. And he betrayed me. You're talking about Scott? Yeah, I loved him. He was my favorite freaking character in that entire game.
What is thy business with these thrones?
You know, I just want to sit on them. I want to warm my tush on them.
Godric the Golden.
Where do you put it in media?
The twin prodigies, Mikola and Malenia.
Media. Well, that's really cool. I really like that. That's really freaking cool, Dead Senpai.
General.
I'm sorry that they had that reaction to it. I think it's really cool. The important thing is if you like it. That's the most important thing, my friend.
Willful traitors. All.
Oh, yes, willful traitors.
Thy kind are all of a piece.
I don't want to alarm you, but you have a lot of barnacles on your face.
Pillagers, emboldened by the flame of ambition.
Yeah, I think it's really freaking cool. I mean, I don't have any tattoos. I'm not a fan of needles. So I don't know how I do with getting a tattoo, but hey, if you want to get it, that is your choice, and if it's something that you enjoy, that's the important thing, my friend.
Last of all
Apple.
kings.
Sir! Oh, he saw me coming! Why does he do fire damage? Is he supposed to do fire damage? Well, Apple, you can make it like a reward for yourself after you finish practicing. He's angry. Well, he's not angry. He's almost dead. As it happens. Oh! I didn't even know about that move! Christmas trees on crackers. Oh. Oh no. Connor, I don't remember that one. Purple balls, not as tragic as blue balls, though. I don't remember what that one was in. Oh, it was from Pokemon. I don't remember what that was in reference to. What were the purple balls? I don't remember what the purple balls were. Maybe. I never used any smoke bombs, though. Get fucked, buddy. I was just talking to talk, and that's what came out. That happens. That happens a lot for me. Sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about. Sometimes I just have a little tangent that I go off on. It was probably during a boss fight in Legends Arceus. Because I definitely went off on some tangents during boss fights. Especially the Arcanine boss fight.
Hello again,
Oh, hello.
old friend.
Hello.
Allow me a moment to converse with you. You were unable to enter the Erd.
Exactly. There is something about Pokemon that just brings out my wild side. I don't know what it is, but my wild side flies free when it comes to Pokemon.
That spurns all that exists without. The only way to stand before the Elden Ring and become the Elden Lord is to pass the thorns.
Ah, yeah, no, that's the problem. I tried to pass the thorns.
Serves to aid in that very
Well, yeah, we gotta go do
So I'd like you to
not Renal,
undertake
Ronnie's
a
quest.
new journey
Because I want to get Ronnie's ending this
to
time.
the flame of ruin, far above the clouds, upon the snowy mountain.
So we got the base
tops
ending.
of the giants.
This time I want to get Ronnie's ending. Ranny's
I
ending,
can
Ronnie's
set the
ending.
Erd tree aflame.
Oh, we gotta set the Erd. Oh no, Dolphin, don't listen. Don't. I swear, we totally won't light the Erd tree aflame again.
Shall I turn your runes to let my hand rest upon? Share them with me. Your thoughts, your ambitions.
See you later. Where are we gonna go now? I guess we should go talk to Ronnie. Where is Ronnie? Ronnie's up here. We gotta go do the shit. We gotta go fight Renala. Let's go fight Renala. We haven't fought Renala yet. And then we'll go see Ronnie. And then... Oh yeah, I'm very chunky. I'm so chunky. Look at how chunky I am. Let's go back and do the stuff I was supposed to do a long time ago. Your fingers. Show me your fingers. Yeah, we gotta be chunky to be a mega tank. I think we've already polished off half of the game in New Game Plus. Because realistically there's, if we do all of the, I guess if we do all of the ruins, maybe we did about a quarter. If we do Melania and Moeg, however you say his name, and Smegma, yeah, maybe about a quarter. Then we still have the Fire Giant and all the bosses in the Dragon Keep. We're cruising. Oh no, how have I ended? How have I gone so far astray? I want to go over this way. I don't want to be up here. I want to be down there. Oh, no! Oh, thank goodness. Yeah, we're going to see your side witch, Apple. And then we're gonna go see Ronnie. Ronnie. I have no idea how her name is pronounced. We already have the key, the glintstone key. We already beat up Hot Dog the Dragon. Oh, geez, lobsters. Oh, that's it. That's it, lobster. You're toast. We're gonna make a delicious lobster stew. Lobster stew incoming. Oh, I see you have a friend over there. And we'll get enough lobster stew for the entire village. What do you think? We stew up your friend, too? Huh, lobster? More lobster! Sorry, can you stop stabbing me? I would like a turn at stabbing. Thank you. Thank you. I can do the stabs too. Apple's jamming. How's practice going, Apple? Oh, that's where the Jeffs are. Look at the Jeffs in their natural habitat. Ah, so majestic. Look at them. Look at them frolicking to and fro.
Here comes the
Bard!
Hello,
Bard, how are you?
Here he comes.
How did Elden Ring go, Bard?
Here comes the boy.
How did your opening experiences with Elden Ring go? You haven't started yet since you've been home. That's okay. You gotta relax some too. You gotta get some relaxation time in too, Apple. It's very important. I think I need to be up there. Bard!
Get over there, Bard.
Bard,
Yeah,
thank you so
my
much for the
tummy's warm.
raid. Welcome on in, Raiders. Bard! An orange! Orange! Orange, I heard that you helped Dad fight Millennia. Mumbles! Mumbles, how are you? How did helping Bard go? How did Bard do? I was there for a good portion of it earlier. Bard, you gotta get some lunch. Yes, get all the lunch. Get all the lunch. Bard's a natural. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so glad that Bard's enjoying it. You'll chasing me? No? Okay. I'm really glad that you're enjoying it. And I'm glad that Mumbles is helping you out. Mumbles is a pro. Pro Elden Ring player. Natural dying. No. You are a natural at surviving. You are a natural-born survivor, Bard. I believe in you. I have full faith in you, Bard. Ah, we've arrived at the Academy. Academy Rhea. We're only just a little bit late. We've only done like 4 bosses further along than we should have been here, but it's fine. Almost came in clutch with the hard carry. No. I think there was some solid teamwork. When I was there, I saw some teamwork going on. And we're all about teamwork. There was 100% teamwork. Because you know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. Knock knock. It's Agatha Chilsty. I'm back. You thought you were done with me, but as it happens, I've decided to do New Game Plus. Oh, goodbye. Oh no. Okay, no, this isn't the hand place. Thank you for the lurk, Bard. Get some lunch. Get all the lunch. Thank you so much for the raid, Bard. I really appreciate it. You are a freaking legend. I'm so glad that you're playing Elden Ring and you're enjoying it. That's the most important thing. Hey, Jade, how are you, my friend? Welcome on in. How are you doing? How's the playthrough thus far? Really good. We've been polishing off a lot of bosses today. This is my New Game Plus playthrough, and I'm kind of just cruising. I'm on a real cruise course to victory. I did the base ending the first time. This time around, I'm gonna do Ronnie's ending. Ronnie. I have no idea how to properly pronounce her name. The doll. Which I should have done last time, because I had already done all of her quest line. So I should have just done it the first time, but I wanted to do the base ending the first time around. Oh, fuck, it's this hallway. Vinyl! How are you, Vinyl? Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Hey, it's Blue Lake Sif. How are you? Long time no see. Oh, jeez, I do far too much damage for you. Far too much damage. You also do a lot of damage, though. Oh no, sir. Sir, are you sure? Are you sure you want to do this? Well, you started it. We could have been friends. We could have just been friends. You didn't even give me many souls. Jeez, you didn't even give me that many souls. You're planning on doing all the endings when you can. Hell yeah, I think there's more endings than there's trophies for. I know there's 3 endings that there's trophies for, but I believe there's other endings, if I'm not mistaken. I think I've read that there's 4 or 5. I know there's trophies for the base ending, Ranny's ending, and the Flame of Frenzy ending. How are you today, Vinyl? How's your Saturday treating you? I almost said Friday. How's your Saturday treating you? Yep, no treats for Bootleg Sif. None. Can you open this? No. Martian! How are you, my friend? How are you, Martian? How's your Saturday? I think it might be Sunday for you. I'm trying to think. Is it still Saturday for you, Martian? I know the time zones are kind of funky. 5 hours. Okay, so it's still Saturday. Hell yeah. How's your Saturday treating you? Oh, my head. My head. It got squished. My head got squished. I should go open the shortcut. Sir. Right, we're doing it. Alright, Moon Pie, we're doing it. I was gonna let you live. Goodbye, Moon Pie. Guess I'll go open the shortcut. Just in case. You had some really nice lunch today in Chinatown. Ooh, that sounds really good, Martian. What'd you have? You love the weapon combo? My 2 giant-ass swords? I originally planned on trying some new weapons for New Game Plus, and I've kind of just been running around enjoying booping literally everyone with my 2 giant swords. Way too much dim sum. Oh, that sounds really good. Hey, it's the weekend. You gotta enjoy yourself. There's no such thing as too much of any food that you enjoy on the weekend. No such thing. Here's your side witch, Apple. We've arrived. Here she is. You barely walk. No, Martian. I hope you get to take it easy and relax and just rest off the big old lunch. A side witch. Like side bitch, but side witch. But also a sandwich. Maybe it could be a sandwich with Apple and her waifu and her side witch. Snail-looking witches? No. I mean, it's just a regular lady. Just a regular lady. Oh no, Flannel. Oh no, Flannel, I'm so sorry. What was it? Was this something I said, Flannel?
Martian underscore legend underscore king underscore god doesn't think you need your shield for the next 30 minutes.
Lucky for you, Martian, I haven't used a shield for this entire game. We don't believe in shields, Martian. We just believe in big burly swords. Oh, she's only one hit away, really?
Underscore ma underscore read has purchased 5 packs.
Lisa, thank you so much for the 5 stream loop packs. Lisa, how are you today? I can't block. I don't block. Period. The lack of a shield does stop me from blocking at all times. I'm just real tanky. I don't really need to block. I'm built like a giant roly-poly tank. Where's the other singing child? Where are you, singing child?
Underscore ma underscore weed has redeemed a basic event loot box.
Basic event loot box, you got it. Right after this boss fight, I'll get that sent your way. Sorry, children. I've removed quote number 87. Fuck shields. That was just phase 1. But also, we're extremely overpowered. This is New Game Plus, Martian, so I am extremely overleveled. Even for New Game Plus, where the difficulty ramps up, we're at like level 160. I think the last couple bosses will probably be fairly difficult, but everything on the way there is pretty easy. But that's just phase 1. She does have a phase 2. And I don't have nearly as much magic defense.
Drink water, you dehydrated.
Oh, thank you so much, Martian. I will drink some water right after. I don't remember how long this cutscene is. Right after this fight, I'll drink some water though. Oh yes, I know. I'm real foul. Apple, I'm so sorry. I'm beating up your lady friend. You're fine today? Hell yeah, Lisa. That's what I like to hear. This fight has the coolest arena. Fucking look at this arena. There she is, Apple.
Martian underscore legend underscore king underscore god wants you to freeze for 30 seconds.
Oh no, we were already dead, almost dead too. Oh, Martian, thank you for sparing Apple's waifu, or that Apple's side waifu. You like the arena for the final fight is really cool. Yeah, it does remind me of ROM, except there's significantly less spiders, which is a plus. There's considerably less spiders. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I got at least a random thank you, Martian. I really appreciate that. Let's get a random pack on over to Lisa. There you go. You got a pack headed your way, and two chaos packs from Martian. Wait, was it 2? 2 from Martian. Hey, Martian. Got one for Bard. Hell yeah. One for Bard. You want a side witch? You need to get a main witch first. I mean, you can do it. I believe in you. I believe. Now that we know that Renala is Apple's side witch, I feel bad for calling her the moon witch bitch for the entire playthrough prior to this.
Martian underscore legend underscore king
boy,
underscore
Pikachu.
god wants to see bootleg Pikachu.
Holy Pikachu.
You
Block the fuck out of them.
Hang on, I'm blocking.
the opportunity to.
Don't make that for nothing. I don't want to have to
The
deal with that
Jade
guy.
Here comes another guy.
Roses.
We've already got
Also
the
a
first one.
fantastic Souls streamer.
I'll fucking see if I can't clear some of these mobs. That's what you're nuts.
Just get to the
The
bonfire.
Jade Roses does a
Is
ton
that what you
of,
want to do to me? Huh?
and I don't know, have you done any themed
Yeah, if we get down to the next bonfire,
character
we can't get
playthroughs
trapped
yet?
up
Because
here.
I know you were doing some
Yeah, let me go.
themed character playthroughs of
I just got done
Bloodborne
blocking.
Yeah.
when we first
What?
met you.
Come back up so I can.
Ah, we've arrived. Back at the peak. The peak. Hello, I've returned. There we go. Hinder me as much. Hey, that's what the cards are there for, Martian. You can try, but everyone dies instantly in my path. That doesn't do nearly as much damage as I thought it was going to do.
Martian underscore legend underscore king
Oh, you run?
underscore god thinks you should hold down the run button for the next minute just to be safe.
Oh, hold. Oh, jeez. That wasn't even you, Martian. You wish you could take a nap in the moon? Yeah, that'd be really cozy. That wasn't even you. I wanted to hold the run button down for that. Yeah, I feel like the moon would be cozy as long as you don't have to worry about oxygen. Because if you need to worry about oxygen, I guess the moon's not very cozy. Excuse me, pardon me. Just passing through. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Well, they don't do that much damage because I'm real buff. Look at this armor. I'm like a big old tank. Look at me. Without O2, the moon will put you in a deep sleep for sure. That's true. That is very true. Hi, I'm back. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yeah.
Martian underscore legend underscore
hot dog
king
joke, you
underscore
got it.
god would like a hot dog joke.
You got it, Martian. Right after this fight, I'll get my list of hot dog jokes. Skip. Hello!
Come, O sworn giant.
Yeah, no, your dragon can't help you now. You've gone beyond the veil of dragons. Alright, hot dog jokes. Oh, the dragon's still shooting me with fire. That's unfortunate. Alright, hot dog jokes. Oh no. Okay, here's one. What did the mother hot dog say to cheer on her son while he was in a race? Ketchup! There you go, Martian. There's your hot dog joke. Was it worth it? What do you mean, oh god, no? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Where did he flee, my sweetings? Come out from whence ye hide.
Okay, I want to go over.
Light aplenty, dither not.
Over where?
Come out,
Or here.
or will ye be
Yeah,
gravestone?
that's where we want to go, because we want to go get the stuff from Ranny. Everything.
Martian underscore legend underscore king underscore god wants to ask you, is your soul a baguette yet?
Oh yeah, well, my soul, I was born with a baguette for a soul. I was born this way. I have a natural baguette. Yeah, I didn't have to put the croissant back in the oven. I just naturally popped out with a baguette. Take that as you will. Take that as you will. Natural baguette. How do I get up there? How do I get up there? Let's go this way? Oh, I might have to go that way. No, I think I go this way. Yeah, like down. And then up. Over here. You have more points to redeem all the emotes. Ooh, yeah, we've got some new ones. The brows is a particular favorite of mine. I really like the brows. We've got a couple more animated slots, so I do have to get some more animated emotes.
Martian underscore legend underscore king underscore god wants you to focus on the following mission next. Millennia.
We can't go to Millennia yet, Martian. We don't have the area to get Millennia unlocked yet. That's still a ways away from us for us. Yeah, we already beat Millennia in our first playthrough. But Millennia is still a ways away. Oh, nope, not that way. Yeah, we beat all but one. if that's how I was supposed to get over here. We beat all but one boss in our first playthrough, and that was only because I killed an NPC that I wasn't supposed to. The next one up is gonna be probably Radon. Radon will be the next one up. But we gotta go see Ranny, and then I think we should be able to fight Radon. We have to start Ranny's quest line before we can fight Radon. The Elden Beast is the final boss. That'll be a ways off. The Dragon Lord Plex, whatever, however you pronounce that. That's a long way. I mean, there's a progression. We'll eventually get to Melania, and we'll fight Melania again. But Melania is like the second to the last boss, or maybe the third to the last boss. And we can't really get there until, like, right near the end of the game. Because the area that she's in is fairly... Well, that's okay, Martian. I can send the card back to you. She is the hardest boss in the game, though, so you were correct. Oh fuck! This is the place with the hands. This is the place with the hands. Fuck. I hate them. I hate them so much. No. Oh, no. 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 Get fucked. I don't think we can go in there. Get straight fucked. The fucking spider hands. They're the worst. They're the worst.
Martian_legend_king_God doesn't think you need to heal for the next 5 minutes.
You got it. Good thing I'm running away from the hands. Oh no! Fuck those hands. This is like if Master Hand had a baby with a spider. Fuck those hands. They're horrible. They're awful. They're the worst, creepiest enemy in this entire game. The Bill Nye, I loved Bill Nye as a kid. I grew up on Bill Nye. They are not. Whoa, whoa, whoa! The hands are cute. Apple, we're gonna have a conversation right now. I'm concerned. They are nightmarish. They are nightmarish. They're like something out of hell. They're like if hell spit up a hand baby. Hello. Don't mind me. I'm just passing through. On my way to see Ranny. Don't mind me. I don't want to disturb the afterlife for you. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that.
Martian_legend_king_God thinks you should crouch for the next minute just to be safe.
I'm crouching. I'm crouching to be safe. Do the crab walk. See you later. I'm doing the crab walk. Here we go. Crab walk to the bonfire. Crab walk. Do the crab walk. Crab walk. Do the crab walk. Crab walk. Yeah, yeah. Crab walking around. You like my song, Martian? Do you anticipate that your crouch card was also going to be accompanied by a song? No, this could be a problem. I don't have to crouch anymore. Yeah. See you later. The large boy on the stairs. I'm just gonna let him do his thing. We're gonna go fight a lady up here. Lady on a horse. Ghost lady on a horse. Hello! Still cannot heal for another minute and 30 seconds. That's a problem. Oh.
Martian underscore legends underscore king underscore God thinks you should crouch for the next minute just to be
Martian,
safe.
I'm sorry, but I will crouch now for you. You got me with the no healing though. Here we go. Crab walking around. Walking around like a crab. Yeah, yeah, crab walking. Crab walking. Don't mind me. Oh, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Oh, she minded me. There you go, Martian. You got another one. Special ladies riding about on horses. Slicing with glaives is no basis for a system of boss fights. Why not? They're lovely. They're lovely. Who doesn't like a nice horse lady with a glaive riding around as you're crab walking? The musical. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yes, trees! Shield me! Shield me, trees! Thank you for shielding me, trees. I appreciate you. That's why we need more trees in the world to shield us from the pains of being shot with magic arrows. Nothing about the environment or the necessity for oxygen, just to shield us from magic arrows. It's a primary utility of trees. Well, Martian's looking to throw down in the Pokemans. Pokemon throwdown. So 3 sisters. Oh, it's old turkey sandwich. I forgot about turkey sandwich. Turkey sandwich runs away. You little bitch. Hi, turkey sandwich. Run away? Yeah, we ran away. Turkey sandwich ran away.
Martian underscore legend underscore king underscore god thinks you'd look better without your glasses for the next 5 minutes.
These aren't my real glasses, Martian. I'll have to send that back. I have contacts in. These are just UV protecting glasses. I don't actually have my, like, prescription glasses on. Sorry, Martian. I've been wearing my contacts a lot lately because my regular glasses are, like, scratched to hell. They're over here. But I'll send that back to you. I actually haven't been wearing my glasses that much. Lily's got 735 Pokemon. Holy crap. Oh, Apple's got 666, though. That's a pretty solid number of Pokemon. That's a pretty solid number of Pokemon. Alright, now we can start Ranny's quest. Ranny! Only 18 catchable Pokemon left. Holy shit. Lily's almost got them all. 669. Yes. I'm excited for you to get the 669. That's okay, Martian. That's what the cards are there for. I feel bad that I'm not actually wearing my glasses for you to be able to use that card. The Pokemon crown is on. Hey, you've got a battle crown, Martian. You were a battle champion for a while. Not everyone that collects battles. You're like the Ash Ketchum of chat. Because Ash was all about being the very best battle-wise, whereas Go is the one that wants to collect them all in the new anime. You had over 100 Pokemon in Mercy. Congratulations! I think I've exclusively battled with Martian. Well, I think I battled with Lily a couple times.
Then mayhaps fate hath steered thee to this encounter. Wilt thou enter into my service? I am the witch Rani.
Ronnie. It is Ronnie. It is Ronnie! Ronnie's got an extra set of hands. Look at all those hands. What do you need all those hands for, Ronnie?
Has that roused thy interest?
Listen, I just want your ending.
A choice well made.
Oh, thank you.
Thou art a rare sword. Not many would have accepted the offer.
Yeah, not many are running around in roly-poly armor with 2 giant swords either. Oh, geez, Randy, I'm so sorry. My sword's gone right through your leg. I'm so sorry.
Good. Then I ask we proceed with haste. There is, in my service, a half...
You guys want to give away free shit? All the Poke... Yeah, I don't understand the Poke gifts.
I would have thee join him in searching for the hidden treasure of Nokron.
Ah, yes, the hidden treasure of Nokron.
I have called for Blythe to greet thee below.
Ah, yes, Blythe.
Take from him the particulars. Ah, and there wilt thou find Iji, my war counselor, and Salavis, preceptor.
Yeah, it seems like the battle record doesn't work that well. Because you've definitely battled more times than that, Martian.
Feel secure in gaining from them what advantage thou canst. I am sure the others will be doing just the same.
Yes.
Speak with
okay, I'll speak with them. Oh, Randy, I almost jumped off your tower. That would have been awkward. Oh fuck, he just said he would help me and then he immediately jumped off the tower. I don't understand what I did wrong. Hello! Oh, you're very large. Yes.
Lady Rani has explained everything. The pleasure is mine.
Oh, it's a very large club you got there.
The Karian royal family's dedicated blacksmith.
I know I kind of ran into you earlier.
I'm told that
you're just chilling on the side of the road.
I will give you whatever guidance.
It was fucked up before, and the data's been saved till now. Oh no, Martian, I'm so sorry. Hello! We're gonna fight Smegma together soon.
I heard about you. Name's Blythe. Glad to have you over. Well, I'm situated eternal. I'm to go see if I can. I'm going below. See if I can't find any way.
Alright, see underground. Unfortunate things are gonna happen when we find the underground, but
I see.
I
I don't know what it was since we hired. I someone pay me, should you? If it were up, but who?
Yeah, Wolfie Man has a very unfortunate fate. He doesn't get a good ending.
Let us together.
Alright, let's go talk to Ronnie. I mean, none of them do. Nobody associated with Ronnie gets a good ending. You won one battle before, but it didn't go through because of internet issues. No, Apple, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Apple. I don't think it shows like any of the battles that I've done before.
I shall soon, and it will be some this doll's still I look for. I shall soon, and it will be some I look for.
Okay, are you done with me? Can I leave now? Oh. Yeah, I did her whole quest line last time, but I didn't do her ending because I wanted to do the first ending. All right, they're gone. Like just the base ending. So now I'm gonna have to do it all again. I gotta remember all the things I have to do. I may pull up a list. I know I gotta find Nokron and the dagger in Nokron, and then there's a ring that I need to find. And I think I have to go do this lady's thing, too. She wants me to take the potion to the daughter of, what's his name? Gilgamesh. The all-knowing. Underground place is cool, though, until you see the giant freaking ants. Oh, that's the other underground place.
Did you not realize I would? Perhaps I'd like you to find even you. Good. Now I shall have. Fine. I expect.
Oh, she's in the. Well, we can give it to her. We can give it to her dad instead. And he'll be like, "Oh, just tell them that you gave it to her." I don't actually know what happens if you give her the potion. I think bad things happen if you give her the potion. Oh, there she is. Oh, he's not. Why is he not in here yet? Why can't I talk to you? Oh no, is this the... No. Why aren't you in your office?
Oh, this I can't very well.
Oh, I think it's because I've never talked to you.
Allow me you at a house can remember you.
Oops, I've never talked to any of you.
There's nothing.
You also want the Tomb Turtle Boys, the big belly stompy boys? Tomb Turtle Boys. Who are the Tomb Turtle Boys? Oh, the mausoleums. Like the big walking mausoleums? Oh. You gotta clean the barnacles off their feet. There you are. Hello.
Then I bid you, I am known as a time to wish. I am a king. I belong to a
Listen, I'm very far ahead of everything that you're gonna tell me. How do I... Ah, there you are.
Oh, hello.
Oh, it wasn't you. Who are you?
I've seen you here before. I am here by decree of the pleasure's mine. Ah, yes. I wonder if he's in his study. If you haven't all, father is, I'm sure, talking to. Is that some kind
let's
of
find out what
medicine?
happens when we give her the
One
potion.
that affects the heart, I'd wager. If it's what I think, I have no need of it. I am a warrior.
Ah.
I need no external aid.
No, it's
Not to break the
magic
habits of
potion.
battle, nor to bolster my resolve.
Give you pink hair.
It's about time I headed off. I'll see you again.
understand you've been speaking. She's my daughter. I took her in. Oh, I'm here, so I put her to work. Do not head despite her.
Does that count? She didn't want it. Your lady. She didn't want it. It's not my problem. It's not my problem if she doesn't want the potion. Buildings with feet. Big old stompy feet with skulls on them. Gotta clean off the skulls.
Time. The only thing I will. Are we under? I have enough.
Wait, she didn't want it. What do you mean? She didn't want it. She didn't want the potion. What do you want me to do about it? She didn't want it. She didn't want the potion. I don't know what you want me to do about it. She's still here? No, she's gone. What? She's still here? No, she's gone. She'll come back eventually, though. Last time I gave it to him, he doesn't seem to want it yet. We might have to wait until she's back here later. Because eventually she's just chilling downstairs and she's real sad. I also have to do Fia's quest so that we can fight the last boss that I need the trophy for. Yeah, eventually she chills down here. But I think this is where I'm going to wrap up for the afternoon stream. We're going to do some Jackbox later in a couple hours. But I'm going to go get some food. Oh, sir, I'm sorry. I rolled into you. I'm very sorry. We got 109 hours on this character already. Holy crap. Holy sweet potatoes. Oops. Probably around, I'd say around 8 p.m., 8 or 9 p.m. EST. So, probably a couple hours from now. Well, it's 5 now. 5 to 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. About 3 hours from now. We'll do some Jackbox with the community. Anyone that wants to play Jackbox. So about 3 hours from now. But for right now, I'm gonna wrap up. Is there anyone we'd like to raid? Is there anyone still live that we know of? Is Orange still streaming? Or Dab? I don't know who's still live. I know Bard wrapped up. Orange is still streaming? Hell yeah, we'll definitely raid Orange then. Let's get some raid emotes. Oh, Nightbot? There we go. Nightbot? You doing okay, Nightbot? There we go. Nightbot's having a moment. There we go. Grab one of those raid messages if you're subbed and you got the emotes. If you're not subbed, just any emotes you happen to have, any raid emotes, spam them when we get over there to the wonderful Type Orange. Let's hit him up with a glizzy raid and some positive vibes and all that goodness. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out. We'll continue this at some point. I don't know when. Possibly tomorrow. Maybe I'll keep going with afternoon streams for a little bit while I'm on this weird daytime schedule, which is very unusual for me. But maybe we'll do some more Elden Ring tomorrow afternoon. We're already well through New Game Plus, which is kind of crazy, considering I think it took us like an entire weekend to get to this point the first time, and we've done like maybe 4 or 5 hours, and we're probably about halfway through the game at this point. Alright, let's get the raid to Type _Orange _. We're going to start the countdown. Thank you so much again, everyone, for hanging out. Apple, thank you for all your help today. Lily, I hope you're having a fantastic Saturday. I hope you're having the best possible weekend. Thank you so much for hanging out. Martian, I know you said BRB, but thank you so much. Hopefully you hear this. If you don't, I hope you have a fantastic Saturday. Thank you so much, my friend. I very much appreciate you. Immersa, thank you for hanging out. I think that might be everyone that's been here recently, but I know Dolphin was hanging out. Thank you so much, Dolphin. We had Flannel here a little bit ago. Flannel, you're amazing. Dead Senpai, thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Saturday. Pop on by later tonight for some Jackbox if you're able to. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend, everyone. See you later.